the granddaughter, I'm really grateful to everybody that supported and helped him. Xavier Main, Minister Holness, and new social housing program. I'm really grateful because, to be honest, I didn't know that this is where he was living. And to see that he's upgrading to a new home, I'm very grateful.
It is a little bit treacherous to go back down.
Yes.
So again, let me thank all the wonderful people of Brandon Hill District to have come out to witness the handing over ceremony of this Hope Housing Unit to Miss Joycelyn Clark. This is a one-bedroom unit. Let me just say a few words about this site. It is the equivalent of an obstacle course. And when it rains, it is very treacherous to navigate. But we all made it here today safely. Only one almost fell. Only one. Let me also give my commendations to the police officers. They wear better boots than we do, so they were able to navigate the course better than us. Joycelyn, you want to tell us a little bit about your circumstances and how you were recommended?
Yes, sir. I go to school. Mr. Siblings was out there, and I talked to him after. He said, "Please, Mr. Siblings, good day." And he said, "Good day." We asked him, "Please, can I make one room? Give me." And he said, "Yes." The first welcome time out, he just sent me to the lady who work up at the office, and we go up there, and she tend to me. And see, we get me house. A long time I wait for me, my government. Long time I wait for me. Long time I go roll and toss alternate government. Hey, that children want much as in the field, but they don't want to go to my bed, give me there. And I in the mess, me buy me 4 candles already, sir. Me buy me 4 candles already, feel light in there. Me I sleep in there tonight in the name of Jesus. And I thank you very, very much, sir. Thanks to you and thanks to Mr. Siblings that he me talk to and he get to you and me get it. Thank you very much, sir. I love him more. I love him more than a slice of bread, sir.
Have completed and delivered about 304 houses. We have another 86 units that are currently under construction and a further 65 that will begin construction this year. So the program is moving apace. We want to increase the speed at which the houses are delivered. So we're going to contemplate some new building technologies and some new housing products that are, by virtue of the advance in housing technology, are now more accessible and affordable. The only challenge we have is that the program is site specific. So we build the houses in almost any area where the land is available. Once we can get the material to the site and the site does not pose an environmental hazard or risk. So right here, it's a good piece of land, but it's literally almost inaccessible. We had to make a pathway and cut a road to actually build here. So those solutions that we are thinking of, which are prefabricated housing solutions that come all, ready built and with amenities that you load on a flatbed and deploy with a crane, possibly wouldn't be able to work here. So we will literally, in situations like these, we would be constrained to build on site. But where we can deploy those solutions, we will deploy them so that more people can get the benefit. But tonight, Joycelyn,
Yes, sir.
you will be resting your head in your own home.
Yes, sir. Can't wait. Can't wait, man.
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLiveTVNews@gmail.com.